In this video, we're going to take a look at a marine access hatch for your boat or your RV, or in our case, a hole in the floor for our garbage disposal. The size is 23.5 by 13. It does, of course, come in different sizes. This is available at premium build quality. It's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about any leakage, and it's pretty good because you can actually walk on it. It will support that much weight. The hatch is very, very easy to install. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this is a marine hatch. Well, it's a door hatch, essentially, so you can use this for various purposes. This one is completely waterproof, very strong, durable hatch. You can walk on it. Now there's a locking pin here and here. So to open it, as you all know, you lift this, you turn this, and then this allows you to lift. Now the dimension of this is 13 inches by 24 inches. Now, if you note the hinges here, they are waterproof. If something were to happen, you can obviously take this off. The ceiling gasket on here. Now, in terms of mounting this, they did not provide you any mounting hardware, but you can essentially just get any screws and screw these in. I would recommend getting some sort of a silicone cap though to place it in here as well. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to put this. So we are building in a sort of custom recycling door hatch here. So our recycling bins are right at the bottom, and then this is our cutout, and we're going to be using this essentially. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied, I guess, with this. You can see I'm standing right on it. I'm about 185 to 190 pounds, and it is supporting it even though there's nothing on here. So pretty sturdy. I definitely recommend grabbing one of these if you have a need for the specific size. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.